Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Icon Box for August. Icon Box is a quarterly upgrade for Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy members. Every 3 months a new celebrity is chosen to curate 8 full-size products. Each box is worth at least $350 for just $58. This quarter's box is curated by Holm. Use the link in my description box to sign up. Inside, we have the Briogeo Style and Treat Sleek Stick, Maelys Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Body Whip, Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, Dr. Jart Vital Hydra Solution Pro Face Mask, Dr. B Lab Nourishing Face Oil, Todd Major Dimension 2 Eyeshadow Palette, Haus Labs B Structural Mascara, and the Bisha Essential Lip Designer Duo. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting with the Dr. Jart Vital Hydra Solution Pro Face Mask. This claims to give an immediate boost of hydration. I must admit I'm excited to try this out because not only do I have dry skin, but I also love sheet masks, and this one in particular has amazing reviews online. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going ahead and removing it, and it's definitely one of the most hydrating sheet masks I've ever tried. Next, I'm testing out the Dr. B Lab Nourishing Face Oil. This is tied with the Elemis Cleansing Balm for the most expensive product in the box at $72. The name says it all. It's definitely nourishing, and I notice an added radiance and glow as well. Now let's take a look at the Todd Major Dimension 2 Eyeshadow Palette. This 12-pan palette retails for $70. I've had my eye on this palette for a while and am so thrilled to have received it in this icon box. First, I'm dipping into the cream shade Unfaithful. I'm applying this along the outer part of the lash line. Next, I'm picking up the shade Heartache. I'm applying this to the outer V. After that, I'm grabbing the shade Amore. I'm using this as my transition shade and taking it throughout the crease. I can definitely see why people like this palette so much. Finally, I'm using the shimmery shade Romance. I'm tapping this on the lid. It is so stunning and multi-dimensional. After that, I'm trying the Haus Labs B Structural Mascara. This is a brand new launch from Haus Labs, so I'm pretty excited to try it out. It's really lengthening and it's coating each lash really well without any clumping. Finally, I'm applying the Bisha Essential Lip Designer Duo. This duo features 2 shades of lip liner, St. Bart's and St. Tropez. I'm lining my lips with St. Bart's first. Now I'm filling in the center with St. Tropez. Here's the finished look using products from the August Icon Box curated by Holm. Let me know your favorite product from the box in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.